What's going on, guys? Adam here, back with another video. This one, I want to show you how to make $100 per day shopping for local treasures. If you're like most people, you think shopping means you're going to go spend a lot of money, you're going to buy things you don't need, and that's usually true. When you think of shopping, you're probably thinking of a shopping mall, something like this. However, this is not the shopping you need to be doing. You need to be doing shopping like this, where you're going to a thrift store, a local flea market, some type of second-hand store, something where you can find good quality products for a lesser price. Here's what I do. I go to local thrift stores and I try to find the biggest and the best electronics section. Doesn't matter what city I'm in, what state I'm in, I will go find the biggest and best electronics section because that is where the majority of the profit is. If you don't know that, you need to get out there and start thrifting because I guarantee you, you start finding stuff like this, the Shark press and refresh steamer, some of these different DVD, multiple DVD players, something like this. These, I think this might be a Kenwood or a Pioneer. Things like this sell all the time. But the key here is to find stuff that you know. And that's where I want to give you my number one tip. So many people go into a thrift store and they think, oh, I'm going to be a reseller. I'm going to make all this money. Yay, I'm excited. But the problem is they're buying things that other people are recommending, which is great. But here's the issue. If somebody recommends you go and buy this piece of furniture and you have no clue about furniture, you have no idea how to restore something, how much do you think you're really going to be able to make? How much value do you think you're going to add to that product? Zero. Nothing. But here's what I recommend. Look at this. So today, I ended up picking up this game right here. Okay? Probably heard of it before. Yes, it's called Pie Face. Now, I ended up picking up Pie Face. It's priced at $2.99 from Goodwill. It was a green day, so it means half off. So I paid $1.50 for this product. And it is brand new. Still taped. Okay? Still brand new. Everything's good to go. Here's the reason why I bought this. Look at this. On eBay. Now, I'm probably going to sell this actually over on Amazon FBA. But here's what you need to understand. If you don't have an Amazon account, no biggie. You can sell it on eBay. Okay? I bought this for $1.50. Okay? It's selling for $18.74, $18.95, $13.99, $16.99, $14.88. Look at this. So if I were to sell this exact product for $17.99, okay, shipping cost, it's light. It's light. I can put it in a poly bag and ship it off. Be about $5.50. Cost me $1.50. I will end up making $8.37 off of it. Now, I do have an eBay store, and I am a top-rated seller. Okay? So, I would make a little bit more. But you get the idea. Okay? I'm making money off stuff that I'm finding from local stores. Local treasures. Now, if you want to make $100 a day, you can do this. You just got to find more stuff. This item right here, it's a Netgear Router. Okay? It's not brand new. Still has the plastic on it. It didn't come with the actual cord that goes in it to power it. Okay? But I did find one that worked. And so I bought that. I bought all this stuff. Okay? Didn't spend much money on it. I'm going to show you this in just a second. But this router right here sells for $24.95. Okay? Yeah, this is not the same one. This is the one I have right here. The WN 2500RP. So that one right there. And if I were to sell this, okay, $24.95. I ship it for $5.75. Okay, shipped is probably what it's going to go for. $3.99 is my item cost. And I'll make $11.69 off it. So again, another solid profit for an item that most people are passing up. One thing you don't want to happen is you go into stores where it says like 70% off and you're walking into a mall. I guarantee you walk into a mall, okay, you are going to spend more on the same items simply because the mall, the store location has to pay their rent for the mall, okay? So it's much higher to rent something in a mall than in an outside location, which is why I absolutely love going to thrift stores like this. This is a Value Village, okay? Now, Value Village has a bunch of stuff. It's mainly clothing. However, on the outsides of the stores, okay, back over here, there's toys, okay? Back over here, there's shoes, okay? What you need to understand. And in the front of the stores, they usually have books as soon as you walk in. But the key here is to find something you know. This is one of the reasons why I'm big into electronics. I buy all electronics, okay? So it doesn't matter. If there's a new electronic that comes out, whether it's a new wine opener or it's a new router or something, I want to have it personally. So I know quite a bit about them. So that's one of the reasons why I dip into electronics when it comes to reselling. Again, if you want to make $100 per day, you need to know what it is you're buying. Because if you don't know what you're buying, then how do you know who the seller or how do you know who the actual buyer is for that particular product? Now this next item, this right here is an icy hot smart relief back and hip for pain therapy. This one was $2.99. Ended up getting this for 50% off as well. Let me show you this. Okay. Now this one's currently selling. It's not as much as some of these other items. Okay, but it's a very lightweight item. Okay, and it'll cost me $1.50. This one right here, let's say $13, $16.50, $17.99, $11. This thing expires in about a year, so it's still good. Okay, $14.29. Let's say I sell this for $16.99. It cost me $3.80 to ship it, and item costs $1.49. I'd make $9.21 off this one item. It took me a few minutes to get. Okay. I was walking through the store looking for other things. I bought more than just what I'm going to show you, okay? But these are just things I'm going to show you because they're all different, okay? And that's what I want you to understand is you don't have to go and buy the same stuff everyone else is buying. Be different. Think outside the box. Think of what's going to actually sell, but also think of what you can buy locally that you can flip for a profit. So one thing I want to address is people are going to question your methods, question your business. And it happened to me when I first started as well. And, I got started on eBay after, family and friends were saying, oh, you should sell that phone on eBay. And so I got into it, early in the 2000s. I got into it. And here's the thing you got to understand is that people are going to question what it is you're selling, question why do you buy those items. They're never going to make you any money. But here's what you need to know. These items can make you money. As long as you buy it at the right price. Anything you sell, anything in the world can make you money. You have to buy it at the right price. So when you think about it, you are making your money from the purchase, but you're collecting your money from the sale. Okay? Think about that. You are making your money from the purchase. You are collecting your money from the sale, which simply means if you buy at the wrong price, you're never going to make any money. You'll collect some money at the end, but it might be at a loss. So that's up to you. Here's what I want to show you again, okay? This item right here. This is a Makita brushless grinder. This one right here is the XA-G03. This thing's dusty, okay? Very dusty. This thing was $29.99. Then it was 50% off, but I ended up getting it for a little bit less, okay? So let me show you this right here. Okay, I ended up picking it up for $12.99. It was supposed to be $15, so $14.99, but I ended up getting it for a little bit less because this thing was dusty and very dirty. Now, did that really matter? It's a tool? No, it didn't. But could I have got some more money off? Yes, I got $2 off, so that's great. So this item right here, if you look right here, I typed in Makita XAG03 grinder tool only. Okay, so if we go down here, so there are a couple. Okay, $88 for this one, sold on August 24th. And this one sold for $46, so $59 on August 6th. It's a tool only. Okay, so no battery, no charger. No bag, no box, no nothing. Okay, no instructions. That's it, just a tool. So I'm thinking I should easily be able to sell this for $60. $60, right? It's going to cost me about $15 to ship. It cost me $12.99 to buy it. Now, I do have an eBay store and a top-rated seller, okay? So I'd make $25 off it. If you're not either one of these, okay, you'd make about $24. So I'd make about $1 extra. But this is why I want to show you this, and this is why I mentioned I do have an eBay store and I am a top-rated seller, simply because that's for me. But if you're not there yet, don't worry about it. You can get there. It just takes time. Now, I want to give you a second tip. I'm going to give you a couple extra tips as well. But here's a tip. I end up picking this up for $12.99. Okay? Great deal. It comes with a little cutoff wheel too. I don't think this one's in very good condition, but it comes with one. Okay, great. What I could do and what I've done in the past is I take this item, okay? I have batteries for these, okay, because I do have a Makita set, I have a Craftsman set, I have DeWalt, and then my brother, he has a construction company, so it makes it easy to get a battery for this. But here's the key, and here's a trick, a little tip for you guys. Put a battery in this and trade it for somebody else locally. Take this item that you paid $12.99 for, and maybe you buy a battery for $10, a used battery. Put it together, or don't even include the battery, and trade it to a contractor. Trade it to somebody that could use this item right now and has something else of value that they would be willing to trade for it. For example, and I've done this in the past, where I've done it with an impact driver, okay? And Makita does extremely well. I did it with an impact driver. I traded an impact driver for a cell phone, okay? Which the cell phone was a little bit of a trade up, but the guy didn't need it anymore. He needed the impact driver. So I traded him. I took that phone, and then I sold the phone and made about, I think, an extra $25, $30 off of that. So that's just one little tip for you guys, is don't just think about taking the item and selling it and flipping it. Maybe take the item, flip it into something else through a trade, and then sell that item and get your money out. Okay? Tip number 3. This is very important. When you go to any thrift store, you're probably going to see, especially if it's a local one, you'll probably see that some of them let you donate goods and they'll give you a discount. For example, some of mine in the area, some of the Goodwills, it will be, you donate anything, you get a 10% off of $25 or more. There's other ones that you donate 10 things or 10 different times that you get 50% off your whole purchase. There's other ones that you buy $10 worth of products and you go 10 times, then you get 25% off on your 11th trip. Okay, and it's a little punch card. And those work extremely well. Use those benefits, okay? That you being a frequent shopper or a frequent donator. Some of those things can really help build you, okay? Scale your business, because now you're making a little bit extra money. You can buy more stuff. You can scale a little bit faster, which is key, especially in this business. All right, guys, and the last tip for you, and I want to just show you really quick something that I did today. Like I said, I picked up more stuff than just a few things that I show you, the 4 things, okay? This right here is half of the stack, okay? Or probably roughly half the stack of the different games and stuff that I got. So there's DJ, Def Jam, Rap Star, U-Star, 2 in the movies, DJ Hero. There's the Naked Brothers Band, the video game, Sing It, Michael Jackson's Experience, Truth or Lies. Okay, this is just half of the stack. But what I did is I went up to the cashier and asked if I could speak to the manager. And told her there's no big deal, no issue, nothing like that. I just had a question. And my question was, when the manager came out, would you sell me this whole stack, okay, this whole entire stack of games? They're all marked at $1. Would you sell them to me for less? She said yes, she would. What was I thinking? I was thinking, well, how about 4 for $1? She said deal. Okay, so I got 4 of these for $1, 25 cents a piece. Some of these are not really worth anything, but there's other ones that are worth a little bit. Okay, some of these are going to only sell for maybe $5, and I'll probably just get those or sell those out at a yard sale or something like that. Maybe sell them to a local someone that runs a flea market that I know. Okay, but what I plan on doing is getting the discount so that I can buy more of these and flip them to other people. Okay, that was pretty much my thing. Now, I'm not saying to become a full-on reseller on eBay or full-on reseller on Craigslist or Facebook or wherever. I'm saying you can make money shopping, buying local treasures, and flipping it anywhere. eBay, Craigslist, Facebook, Mercari, Etsy. Okay? You can go to Poshmark. You can sell on Amazon. The list seriously goes on and on. All I'm showing you is that there's possibilities out there. Think outside the box, because I guarantee you, if you do, you're going to make more money. Now, before you go, I want to ask you a question. Are you interested in selling and becoming a reseller, full-time reseller? If you are, comment down below and type in reseller. Okay? I'm just curious, and I've been asking questions the last couple weeks. What content do you guys want to see here on this channel? I am a reseller. I am a YouTuber. I am an affiliate marketer. I am a course creator. I'm a content creator. I'm a social media marketer. If I show you every single one of those things, chances are you're going to do absolutely nothing. So, what I want to do moving forward is pick 1 or 2 topics, okay, like affiliate marketing and reselling, and just dive really deep into those few topics. If I do that, I want to make sure you're on board. So if you are and you want to see more videos on reselling, comment down below and just type reselling. It shows me you're interested in this type of content. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you come back tomorrow, watch the next video. I'll see you guys on the next one.